Today I'll show you a new tool to make money online that I guess you haven't heard about before. It is absolutely free and also worldwide available, and you can make money in passive income, so stay tuned to learn how. If you want to know how you can make it work, then make sure to stick with me since I'll explain everything to you step by step. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel Aiden Emia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. And if you love this type of content, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's now begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. The first step you need to complete is to come over to this website called VFly, and this is over at vfly.com. This is a website that can help you to make your YouTube video go viral, as you can see right here. They help you to get more engagement on your YouTube video, and all the views are real. If you scroll down, you're going to see that they have delivered more than 500 million of views, which is huge actually, and you're going to see some more other features that they have to offer, like they help you to gain more YouTube views. You're going to see how they do that here. You're going to give them your YouTube video URL, and then it's easy as that. You can enter keywords and select the countries that you want your views to be from, and this will help them to find the right target audience. They also help you with real YouTube views and subscribers and likes. So everything is real, the views, the engagement, the subscribers, at all, no fake bots. If you scroll down, you're going to see the things that I said before, that the views are real, engagement from real people, and some other features that they have to offer right here. But you don't want to go to all of them because this is not something that we are going to do today. We are not going to provide any YouTube video to them so they can grow our YouTube channel or our YouTube video views and so on. We are going to here to get paid. So if you scroll down, you're also going to see what the clients have to say about this website. Then you just going to scroll all the way down till the bottom of the page and click on affiliate, because today we are going to promote VFly as an affiliate. Here you're going to see their affiliate program page, and you're going to earn 50% of every campaign that you're bringing. So you're going to earn 50% of your referrals earnings. And the thing is that actually 15% is not a high commission, but still I'm going to show you where you can find and target specific people, a lot of people actually, to come to click to your link so they can use VFly and you can make money again and again. So stay tuned for that. And another thing that is going to help us is this site visits. As you can see over to similarweb.com, VFly is being visited by only 72,000 of views every single month, and sometimes even less. And the thing is that we don't want this website to be popular, because if the website is popular, people know about it, and you're not going to get a lot of clicks on your link, and therefore not a lot of money. But since this website is not very popular, people don't know about it, and they can click on your link, they can try it out, and you can make money in passive income again and again. So you're just going to register, you're going to share your referral link, and then just earn. And I'm going to give you that traffic source that you can use in order to make money again and again. And the reviews from people that have used it are going to help us a lot, because the clients have said some really good things about VFly. So this will help us when we are going to promote VFly as an affiliate. So right now all you need to do is to click on become an affiliate button here, and it will take you over to this page where you can continue with Google, which is a lot faster and a lot easier if you want to do that with just one click of a button. Or you can just write that manually. You can put your first name, last name, email address, a password, retype the password, and then you're going to agree to the privacy policy and terms of service, and then just click sign up. In the next page, you're going to see your dashboard. Here is going to be if you want to promote a new video, but in order to get your affiliate link, you're going to click here on affiliates, and you need to join their affiliate program from here. So you just need to click on this button, and then it's going to take you over to this page. Here you're going to put your first name, last name, email address, password, and then confirm that you're not a robot by completing this captcha here, then click on sign up now. After that, you'll be able to get your affiliate link so you can start sharing it with people. And right now it's time for me to show you where you can find traffic to your affiliate link and where you can target people who want to grow their YouTube channel. And the thing is that YouTube is being visited by billions of people, and you can find millions of YouTube channels actually that want to grow on YouTube. The perfect traffic source for us is going to be YouTube actually. So you're going to go over to YouTube and you're going to search for how to get more views on YouTube, or you can search something similar to that, like how to grow on YouTube. After that, you're going to browse all of these different videos, and you need to find a video that it's not very old. You need to find the video that it has been posted like 3 or 4 months ago. You can do that manually. You can find a video here that is posted at most 4 months ago, or you can go over to filters here and then you can select this month, for example. So either way, you just need to open that up, and after that you're just going to scroll over to the comments, because these people are going to be our potential customers. And you can sort by the comments by newest first, so you're going to see the people that have commented here recently. And the thing is that these people are going to be our potential customers, because they are here because they are interested to grow their YouTube channel. Because why are they going to open up a video which is about how to grow on YouTube? And why do they have to comment in the first place? So they are interested in growing in YouTube, and you're going to help them out. And you're just going to open up as many as you can, and I'm going to show you what you can do right now. So after you open up one of these people that have commented that they want to grow on YouTube, you're going to go over to the About section here, just scroll down, and then over details here, you're going to see their email address. As you can see, it says sign in to see email address. What you're going to do is to contact them by email address. You're going to go over through all of the best features of VFly that we mentioned before, and after that you're going to provide them with your affiliate link. You're going to say that there is an app, a website that is going to help them grow with real YouTube views, real engagement, real subscribers. And after that, just put there your affiliate link. And there is a bit of a flaw with this method actually, because not always you're going to find the email address in the About, but sometimes they even leave their links to the social media, so you can contact them over to their social media accounts. If you like this video though, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below and share this video with people, with your friends, if you think that this may help them. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.